Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read you the book called What Do You Call a Day When Every Answer is Yes? Yes Day. This book is written by Amy Krauss Rosenthal and Tom Lichtenheld. Yes! He looks at his calendar. Today is my favorite day of the year. Yes Day. Just watch. You'll see what I mean. Can I please have pizza for breakfast? Can I use your hair gel? Can I clean my room tomorrow? Oh, he got his picture taken. Say cheese. Oh, he's got a nice hairdo. Later, mess. Oh, he didn't clean up. Off to the grocery store. Can I pick? Can we get ice cream? Can I eat lunch outside? Can we have a food fight? Can we invent our own game? Can I have a piggyback ride? Can Mario come over for dinner? Can we stay up really late? Does this day have to end? Yes. The end of Yes Day. See you again next year.